What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today I have another video for you guys. Today we'll be going over a shoe that we haven't gone over on the channel, obviously, but I really mean a type of shoe that we haven't gone over. We mainly have gone over like Nikes, Jordans, mainly Jordans. Really haven't really gone over that many shoes so far, but today is a little different. I finally got my hands on a pair of the Mono Ice Yeezy 350 V2s. Very, very clean shoe. And I just wanted to do a little video for you guys just so you can kind of, you know, see what these have to offer. They came out, I think 2 months ago. They came out June 21st, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, June 21st. So a little over 2 months ago. Well, a little under 2 months ago, I should say, as it's not quite August 21st yet. But yeah, man, these shoes are really nice. So let's get right into what I like about these shoes. So obviously the older V2s or 350s had prime knit uppers, whereas this has a mono filament. So again, the name of this colorway is Mono Ice. I really, really love the blue mixed with the white. You still have the blue, stripe going through here. You always normally have a stripe on your 350s. But I really like the colorway here. These were exclusive to North America. The outsole, pretty much just continuing with the whole ice theme. The monofilament's really neat because it allows you to see the inner cage more. So the 350s have always had an inner cage. Obviously, otherwise the prime knit would have just fallen around your feet. It would have just tumbled down. But the actual cage on these is pretty neat. I like the whole design of it. In case you guys don't know, Kanye is like a pretty big sci-fi fan, and with all of his shoes, you can really tell that they all look futuristic or like they're from another planet, or they just look alien of origin. Or of alien origin, I should say. These are really neat, super comfortable. The laces are, I'm not quite sure how to explain the laces. They're very different from other 350 laces. The eyelids on the actual shoe, if it'll show you there, they're a little bit different as well. They have like a harder plastic around them. Yeah, I think that's pretty like a hard plastic. Pretty neat. On the back, you do have like a gray heel tab. I like that they put a gray one on there just to kind of break up the blue and the white from the actual shoe. Your box that you get these in is just your standard box. Would have been pretty neat if they would have done like a, special type of box, something other than just the cardboard drawer. Here's your tag here. If any of you guys like the tags. Yeah, it's pretty much all you get in the box, just shoes, paper, that's it. Really, really a nice shoe. For me, I think it's more of like a winter shoe, not really like a summer shoe or anything. I guess you could wear it summer, but for me, I just see wearing these with like, jeans or joggers. Shorts look good with Yeezys. That's one good thing about Yeezys. Your insole just has the Adidas, the Yeezy branding. On older 350s, you had your size tag on the inside here, like along the cage normally. Whereas on these, it's actually, I don't know if you can see it there, but it's actually on the insole. You have your size tag. These are a little dirty. Do have your 3 stripes back here on the heel. On the sock liner, rather. But yeah, I like these a lot. If you do have a chance to like see these and hold these in hand, they feel very different due to the monofilament versus the prime knit. They feel better to me. Prime knit is very soft by nature. However, on the Yeezys, it never really felt soft. It still felt pretty tough. But this does feel different. And for those of you who aren't familiar with monofilament, it's the same thing used for like fishing line. So if you look closely, you can see it's just woven on there. That should zoom in for you, or focus rather. Very, very nice shoe, man. I like this shoe a lot. And I know this isn't a new shoe, like it didn't just drop this week, or it's not an upcoming release, but it's a shoe I just got my hands on that didn't think I would like in hand, but I really do like it. And yeah, I wanted to kind of give you guys my first impressions of it, what I think of it. If you guys haven't gotten this, like, definitely get it. It's different than other 350s. I have the inertias, and I have the foam runners, and I have slides, but yeah, I don't really have many Yeezys. But I do have a pair of the Glow 350 V2s coming in. So if you guys want, I could do like a video on that just to compare the material on that to the material on here. On the front here, you do have just the one line going here for the thread. Normally it's going left to right and it's a lot thicker. But the main thing that I like about it is the monofilament, because it changes the whole aesthetic of the upper, changes the whole aesthetic of the shoe. Like I said, you can see the light filter through here. So like, as you can see there, you can see like my finger inside of it. So this is see-through once you get it in the light, or it's transparent rather, to a certain extent. So you'll be able to see whatever color socks you have on here. I would recommend wearing it probably with white socks, would be my guess. It's probably what I would do. Would be better for you, I think. On the bottom here, you do still just have, same bottom from all Yeezys. Nothing wrong with it. Super comfortable shoe. Super, super comfortable. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the shoe, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys picked this up 2 months ago, or let me know if you guys picked it up. I don't remember if they dropped this on Yeezy Day, like a re-release. I know on Yeezy Day I spent all day trying to get shoes and I wasn't able to really get anything. But I don't recall if they re-dropped these or not on Yeezy Day. Not sure. They were pretty much throwing all kinds of stuff at you, so it was a little hard to keep up. Yeah, guys, I like the colors. I like everything about it. Blue is one of my favorite colors, so I knew this was a must cop for me. I like them. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys thought. Let me know where this ranks in terms of your favorite Yeezys, your favorite 350s in particular. Let me know, yeah, in general, your favorite Yeezys. How does this rank? Where does this rank? Do you like the change from prime knit over to the monofilament? How do you normally rock yours? You wearing with shorts? You wearing them with joggers, jeans? What are you doing? Let me know what you guys think, man. Thank you guys so much for the support you guys have been giving me on my videos lately. It really does mean a lot. This week I haven't been able to upload as many videos as I wanted to. It's just been a little busy. We do have a younger child, and then we have two older children. School is starting back. One child's already in school. One goes to school next week. And with the baby, it's just hard to really get this stuff out all the time. But anytime I do put a video out, you guys support me so much, and I do appreciate it. It means so much to me. I ask that you continue to do that. Let me know how I can improve. Let me know what you guys want to see. Your feedback's always greatly appreciated, negative and positive. As I do get some negative feedback as well, but feedback's feedback. It is what it is. You're gonna have that anywhere in life. You're gonna have negativity. Yeah, that's just how it goes. It doesn't bother me as much as it would bother other people. Still bothers you, obviously. I'm human, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't already by this point in the video, which you should have, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you guys want to see. Who knows what kind of videos we'll have coming up here on the channel soon. I do have some other shoes that have just come in, some other shoes that are going to be coming in. So, you never know on this channel, because we go through so many pairs of shoes. Buying shoes, selling shoes. We go through a lot, so you never know. Could be something new, something you see behind me, something that's not here. Could come out of left field. You never know. You never know what you'll get here. But thank you guys so much. If you have stuck around this far in the video, please do let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you again so much. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Guys, I almost forgot to tell you, we did hit 50 subscribers here on the channel. And I know in a video prior, we were talking about how we we're so close to hitting 50, and that I was hoping that we could. We did hit 50 subscribers, and that's crazy to think about because I've only been doing this channel for about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, and to have already hit 50 subscribers does mean a lot. You guys mean so much to me. You guys are great, man. The people who come back and watch the videos, the people who comment, the people who like these videos, you know, the ones who continue to come back. You guys are my family, and thank you so much, man. So now we're on the road to 100 subscribers, and then 1,000, and then who knows, man. I look forward to growing with you guys continuously, and yeah, I just wanted to express my gratitude for you guys watching. You could watch any YouTuber on the platform. You could watch any videos about anything, you know, mukbangs, whatever. But you guys watch me, and I appreciate it so much. So thank you guys for that.